been a while since I checked my stitchfix account, and it turned out I had $600 in credits because I have referred so many people to stitchfix over the years. And January is a time where I kind of get lazy with my shopping. I don't really want to go out, it's kind of cold in New York City, and winter fashion is a little bit more challenging other than ski fashion, which I love. So I've ordered another fix. My first one was horrible. I kept 0 out of the 5 pieces that they sent. It was really bad. And then I gave them a ton of feedback about what I didn't like, and they sent me another one. And I love it, and I'm gonna keep everything. So, spoiler alert. First of all, they sent this great green sweater. I guess this is called Kelly green. Not normally a color that I would pick for myself, but I loved it once it was on, and I love the length. It's kind of got a little bit of a longer hem, and it's fantastic. And it's a good layering sweater. It's cotton, fantastic. This cute cozy coat is a fleece. It's kind of like a flocked fleece. It's really good, looks great on, and super cozy, and the price was right. So I also like this sort of asymmetrical zipper on this. Fantastic piece. Next up, now this one they nailed. As you can tell, I like charcoal. So they sent me another Michael Stars charcoal sweater. It's a yummy fabric, it's fantastic. It fits a lot like the one I have on now. So long sleeve, this'll just, and it's also got the thumb holes, which I love. So this one was a must keep, and it's got little rivets on it as well. So nice up detailing. I'll be wearing that lots this winter season. Amazing denim. So I gotta tell you, going to a store and trying on 10 pairs of denim is probably my least favorite thing to do, and I'm sure you all feel me. They've sent me before the DL 1961 as a brand. This one's a little bit higher on the waist, and I love the distressing. You can see there's a beat up knee here, an unfinished hem, and they fit great. So a little bit higher on the waist. And I will also say I was pretty excited that I told them I was a 27, in between a 26 and a 27 waist. They sent me the 26. It fits fantastic. So on their end, they were smart enough to send me the right size. And now I don't have to go to a store and actually shop for jeans, which is pretty exciting. Okay, and then the last thing they sent was this leopard scarf. Now I know I have told them that I do like leopard prints. You know, I'm not sure about pink leopard, but here's the thing. If you keep all 5 items from your fix, you get a 25% discount on the whole order. So it was actually cheaper for me to keep the piece that I was like, meh, because it was $28, and then it entitled me to a 25% discount off of everything from the order. So even though the scarf maybe is only gonna get worn once or twice, or maybe I'm gonna give it away, I don't know. I save money by keeping all of the items. So that is my fix, and I also loved the, somewhere in here were the styling suggestions. They gave some really good ideas on how to style the different pieces, and I thought that was fantastic too. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will put a link below, and I will say just give them as much communication as you possibly can. Take the quizzes, give them feedback, and don't keep things that you don't like. If you're not gonna wear it, return it for sure, absolutely. Don't feel like that laziness. Now the turn is pretty quick now. You've got 3 days to try things on and make your decisions. So if you're traveling for work, or if you tend to get overwhelmed by, life, be aware you've got only 3 days to try on and get things back. So that's my fix. Hope you love it. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.